Hello and welcome to a quick look at a new little flashlight I found. This is called a Pristar, P-R-I-S-T-A-R, COB Small Flashlight, rechargeable, 800 lumens, keychain mini flashlight, 4-mode, and it just goes on and on and on. Anyway, I bought these as a pack of 2, and they come in one box, but you get 2 of them in the box, and I'll show you what it comes with. It comes with a short USB-C charging cable, a small instruction, and then the light, and that's it. That's pretty much all you need. I really like flashlights like this. So, let's have a look here. On the back, there is a magnet, fairly strong. We'll hold this without question, no issues. There is this that they call a holding lever, but you know, what's this? I mean, if you were going, or hanging lever, I'm sorry. If you were going to hang it, would you hang it by this or by this? This, by the way, is a carabiner. My thinking is you could clip this onto your keys or even your belt and use it that way. It would always be handy. Of course, a bottle opener. Then on the bottom, there is a 1/4-20 mount, presumably to stick on a tripod or something like that. Now, then on this side, you have a rubber cover. It doesn't say anything about being waterproof, but everything seems to be rubberized. Charge port. And then this is a indicator light. It's actually a piece of rubber, this kind of clearish, whitish rubber. Turns red when it's charging, green when it's finished. Other side is the power button. Now, I'll go through the power modes. It's like most flashlights nowadays. You got the main here, which they call, I think, 60%. Then you got that, which is like 30%, then strobing, then off. Now, if you want it to be 100%, you hold down the power button and it gets pretty bright. Presumably, it won't last long with that setting, but it is very, very bright. And I like the color temperature too. It's not like blue or anything like that. It's just nice white. Hopefully that's coming across on screen. Now here's an advantage. If you are using it in this mode, you didn't just turn it straight off. So hold it straight on, do it straight off. If you use the other modes, you have to go this power, strobe, and then off. I kind of hate that in flashlights. I really love collecting flashlights, and I just wish they'd do away with that mode. So, there's not a whole lot to say about it, you know. Like I say, it does come with a short USB-C cable to charge it. This was, it says it's got an 800, or no, wait, what did it say for the battery? Or did it? Mini size, COB floodlight, strong magnet. A lot of times these magnets aren't strong enough, but this one's plenty strong. Of course, it's very lightweight too. So now the instructions that come with it are in 4 languages, so you gotta find the one that is for you. They call it a 6-watt, and they say that the battery is 500 milliamp hours. Whether that's true or not, I don't know. I haven't used it enough yet to wear the battery down. Just got them today, played with them for 10-15 minutes, And so far the brightness stays the same. I may do a comparison at some point to see how long each level lasts, but for right now, just showing it off. By the way, the case is aluminum, and the glass is actually glass rather than a piece of plastic. So that's kind of nice. It seems to be, I would have taken these apart to show the inside, but it seems to be very tightly put together and sealed with adhesive, so I don't want to destroy it. They're not real cheap. I got a pack of 2 for $28. They're $15 basically if you want one. Well, $14.39 if you want one. $27.99 for 2. At least that's the current price as of today on Amazon. If you do like little flashlights like this and you want something that you can carry, this would be great for hiking or camping. It's a great idea. I know you can't really tell the brightness here, but that's pretty bright right there. But we go through and turn it off and then turn it on to the brightest. That's like crazy bright. It does get a little warm, but it's got an aluminum case, so that shouldn't matter. It should bleed off the excess heat. Anyway, hope you guys like this. Just a quick look at this. I'm not going to go too in depth. Leave a like if you got something out of this, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.